Hi there, students. A gable. A gable end. A gable wall. Okay, a gable is an architectural word. Let's see, most houses have roofs like that, one side and the other. And normally at the very end there's a wall which supports this roof. That triangular piece of wall at the top is the gable. The whole wall is the gable wall. Okay, so a gable. The top end of a wall of a building in the shape of a triangle. Yeah, so you have the triangular bit, you've got the roof coming like this, and then you've got a gable wall. And that is your gable. You could have, for example, a gable window, or a gable-like construction. Now, not all roofs have gables, because sometimes you can construct the roof in a way that there is no gable. You could have a gable window, whereas you have a window in that bit where the roof meets. Very often you have a roof like this and little gabled windows coming out. Yeah, gabled windows. Okay, so a gable. It's a triangular part of a house's exterior wall that goes to a peak. So Gothic houses, or Gothic style, are known for their many different gables. Yeah, it's so houses with a pitched roof, a roof at an angle, a doubled pitched roof. Then you have your gable end, gable at the end, the gable end, the triangular upper part of a wall. Yeah, a house with Elizabethan gables. Yeah, a gable-shaped canopy over the door. Okay, yeah, you've got a gable-shaped canopy over the door. It's talking about a triangular shape. This is an architectural word, most definitely. Yeah. Okay, so you've got two sloped roof surfaces, two pitches, and then you've got the gable, a box gable, a bell gable, a clock gable, a gable roof. Okay, so most houses have various different gables. Formality. This is, I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. It is what it is. I think you could use it anywhere. It comes from Old French Gable, which itself comes from Old Norse gaffle. Okay, with the same meaning, the gaffle in Old Norse. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gable.